Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to turn it off that browse web page AI powered tools what you looking page in Google. First I'm going to get access for search lab AI powered tool. You can click that search lab. It came like that page, welcome to search lab. Then I scroll down. Okay, you can see my SGE while browsing is turn it on my computer. Then what you're gonna do, then you can click this on button. Okay, after you click that on button, then gonna be a page like that. You can see that turn on. Then you can click this button, gonna be turn off. Now you can see that my computer is turn it off. That's SGE while browsing. Okay guys, that's the way how to turn off SGE while browsing in your computer. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.